All right.
Just keep in mind where your hands are going because it might shear out.
Yeah,
your
you go
hands are
flying.
for a free ride when that happens.
It's definitely
Just
twisting.
Pretty much a knuckle buster.
Yeah, it's twisting for sure.
We did it.
You got to keep going, but it's twisting for sure. It's gonna break off, which is fine.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's good that it breaks.
What's going on?
Just when it breaks off and your hand slams into something else,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
not really fun. It takes a lot of fun out of it, actually.
I would imagine. I'm just trying to get it on all the way.
There's nothing that can't be fixed from dancing around the shop for a few minutes on one foot, screaming.
Punch a wall. That helps.
Get
the other
a.
hand.
Where's that corded impact? Because that'll just break that fucker off and be done with it.
You got a half-inch dry socket?
Yep.
Keep sucking off. You can't do it, that'll do the machine.
There we go. Keep going. Keep going.
Break the wrench.
No, that won't. Let it go. Let it go.
That
Because you
look
want this to go around to bind up.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want it to get it caught up over here and bind up.
Oh,
Need these parts anymore?
this
This
thing's
is
in the way.
a box of shit, or is this something useful?
There you go.
It's not straight though.
It's fine. It's gonna bend, and then we gotta use the
You're
impact.
bound up with this pinchy thing here. Let me turn this a little bit.
Did you call that the pinchy thing?
The pinchy thing.
You're gonna pop still.
Ah!
Peter, you alright? That's the first time I've known
Time
Peter
I
5
did
years.
that.
That's the first time I've heard him say fuck. It's the greatest thing in the world.
Yeah, just be careful on it. Once it finds it,
Okay, here, let's get the impact on there. Here. Stay right there. You know what to do. Ooh, look at them hands. Look at them. Look at them mitts. Yeah, we're gonna start cleaning.
This is a greasy son of a bitch, Peter.
Yeah.
All right, get it on there and have at her. Just like you and Wick did on the other side.
Do we need to? I don't need to have this here, right?
You might want that there. Just kind of catch it.
It's not really touching me anyway.
Yeah, but it's gonna catch the arm.
Catch it, good drop.
Oh, when it comes around, yeah.
Yeah.
You want to go up? Yeah.
Other way. Other left. Go. There you go. Right there.
That's it.
Okay. Blast that. See what happens.
The wrench is still on there.
The vice grip's popped.
Hold up, homie.
Hold on, let me get it. End link done. Other end link done.
This is no good.
No, it goes in the trash. Pull the other one off.
Is it loose?
Yeah, it's all done. All right, clean up.